So here is ShortTV app, watch dramas and shows. So yeah, like this app is kind of like an alternative to Real Short app. This can be quite handy. It's can be quite addictive. It's like a short vertical videos, TikTok like, but this is not TikTok. This is not influencers creating videos. These are just real TV shows and dramas you can watch here, but in a very short vertical content. And another thing is that like you can actually earn bonuses and rewards for doing daily check-ins, for just manually watching some ads, maybe completing some tasks later and stuff like that. And then you can unlock all of these additional episodes for free without upgrading and needing to pay. But you need to know that these bonuses expire during 7 days, and then you can just go and top up. You can just buy coins for like $5, 500 coins. Then you can see discover, shows, then you can see shorts. These are like all the shorts available, all the shows available. It kind of looks like a TikTok. Then you can see your collection recently watched, and then you can easily create an account with Apple ID, Google or Facebook. By the way, if you create with Facebook, you will get some additional bonuses. Then there are settings, like Facebook email phone. You can connect that, auto unlock episode. I don't know what that is. And then in the bottom, you can just tap to delete account. If you want to just tap on the orange button to delete account. Language, you can change language, either English or I guess Chinese, or I don't know, and then that's your account here. Then you have my list, then you have shorts again, and there you have it. And then sometimes, so you just have links to bonuses. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the idea. I don't know if you can change your username, change your, probably not. So that's what it is. And then you can just reach out to their support at ShortTV service at ShortTV Live. We review your inquiry and I am to get back to you within 3-7 working days. So there you have it.